Hello everybody, this is Dr. Mario Garita, and I want to talk to you a little about how to choose the right dentist for your dental needs. Nowadays, there are so many options available that kind of confuses most of my patients. But I usually recommend that you do a good research of what do you need and what are you looking for. Most of my patients that come from the US and Canada, which is about 85% of my patient population, they look for high quality dentistry at a fair price. Am I correct? I think that's what you are also looking for. Based on that, I recommend that you do a good research of the dental office that you would like to go. The reason for that being is that you want to be sure who is going to be the responsible dentist that's going to be taking care of your case. Who is going to be the team members who's going to be beside him taking care of your dental case. That's not very easy to find in every office. Reputable dentists with good backgrounds, well educated, fluent in English makes a big difference. Believe me, I've been doing this for over 27 years. And our success is based on reality. It's based on that we can obtain the results that we promise. And how do we do that? Based on knowledge and experience. I invite you to come visit my office. I'm completely certain that you will be completely satisfied. I'll be waiting.